Alright, y'all, I'm going to show you this little hair diffuser that I ordered. It does fit most blow dryers. I mean, it's a decent sized one. That's what the box looks like. Sorry about that. This is the back side of the diffuser, and there's the front. And you just see the arrows right here. You turn it like that. I got a little antique looking dryer. It's been in my family for what seems like forever, but it still works. And make sure it gets tight on there, and it holds. Might look a little crazy, especially on this blow dryer, but it works, like I said. Okay, and I actually do like how my hair looks when I use it. I mean, you could probably stick it on any type of blow dryer because, I mean, I don't know if y'all can really see. I mean, it's got serious experience.
Okay, a quick review on this attachment diffuser. So it did not fit the circumference of my hair dryer. So what I did was I added the attachment that I have here, which is, sorry, snug on there, this part of my hair dryer. And then it worked because the hair dryer itself is too big. The nozzle of it did not fit in here. But once I did the smaller attachment onto this and then used it, it worked great. So it's just a twist. You just simply go ahead and, sorry, I'm trying to do it with one hand. I twist this open and closed. Very easy to attach it, and it hugs right on to the nozzle. And those are the little diffuser notes.
There she sat. Her name was Pam. She was a receptionist. There sat Jim. He was a salesman. The odds of them getting together were insurmountable. I made a family. I got these two together. I made a family. This man has a gift. You're single.
I'm not single. I have a man.
I am offering up my services to you all